can't see me so dark. There we go.
Oh, I was about to say it. Surprise.
Come
That
out,
was
Dustin
in the
Bradley
ma-
now told me it's a piece of shit. Ooh, this is his. Ooh, dude, you can't even see me so dark. There we go.
I'll put this on so we can come warm our hands up because it's fucking snowing outside.
This guy won't stop bitching. Left the work hoodie down here?
I forgot I left my jacket.
What are we doing today?
Oh,
Don't reveal it.
I was about to say it. Oil change
Oil change on the
new whip.
new whip
Surprise.
that was in the making for a long time.
Yeah, it's been a process.
Come out, Dustin Bradley now told me it's a piece of shit. Oh, this is his. That he's getting rebuilt. It's almost done.
I can't. What up, bitch?
You want to reveal it? This is it right here. No.
Old piece of shit.
Look how weird it looks on the camera. Looks thick and chewy. No, but this is it.
RX-8 gang.
RX-8 gang. I'm gonna get so much hate for it, but who cares? Yeah. Nobody really likes the rotaries. I dig it, dude. It looks so much better now with the wheel back on there.
Yeah, for sure. It looks pretty dope. We could definitely figure out some suspension mods later on and lower it a little more. If I had a little better fitment, it'd be nice, but the wheels still look pretty good on it.
Yeah. I need to definitely get rid of those tail lights though. These things are ugly. Yeah, this is it. Dude, there's a G35 that sits at Circle K. Pretty sure it's bagged. It's all black, wide body. The one I was telling you about. One of my buddies thought that was mine, and I went along with it. I was like, yeah, dude, I got that one.
Did you grab your key?
Yeah.
Shit, start it up, dog.
Start it up.
Oh.
Shoot flames. No.